Okay, you can also take still pictures, but not too many because we'll lose the battery. Really appreciate this. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
All right, guys. So let me get in front.
Let him in front of us. Honey, he's going to give us a tour. Oh, look at the candles.
All right, guys. So what we're doing this
Can I videotape you? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's
All right,
totally
great.
fine. So our main goal with this miniature version of the studio tour is to show you what it takes to create this amazing franchise that we really like. So what we're doing is we're showing you some of our special effects. So one of those is these candles right here. So these are some of the last remaining candles that we have from the franchise. Now, these are actually not the original candles.
Okay.
So in the very first Potter movie, the candles were actually a clear tube that had spirit oil inside of it.
Okay.
We placed a wick on top of it and then caught them on fire. Now, it didn't really give us that look that we were going for. So, and it also wasn't very safe, and safety is our #1 priority. So what we did is we created these instead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you in here and I'm going to show you our Goblet of Fire.
Awesome,
okay?
awesome.
And Dawn's actually going to demonstrate it and stuff.
Wow. Hi there. Awesome. Close? I'm afraid to. I don't want to have my name put in.
Alright, I've come mine in like 80 times. I'm not going to tell you who actually comes in. Alright, so this is...
Trace, get over here, honey.
Come on over here, buddy. So this is the Goblet of Fire. So there are actually two. One was made 100% out of wood, out of elm. So it was really heavy and really, really, really thick, and it made it really hard for them to do anything with unless they really did it with a computer, actually. Okay. So instead, they made this one. It was a cast, or like a mold, of the original one that's made out of fiberglass and resin. So it makes it really light, and so it's able to travel. Now, here's the cool thing. As soon as this is done, this is actually being shipped back to Leavesden, England, and is going into the Great Hall at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour.
Wow.
Which is awesome because it's the very first time it will ever be on display there, and the very first time anybody has ever seen it outside of the movies. So you guys are some of the very first people to see it in action. So you ready to see it?
Yes.
So you guys remember that scene, right? All 3 Triwizard champions have already been chosen, and then they're talking, and all of a sudden the goblet begins to smoke one more time.
Check it out.
Suddenly the goblet turns, what color? Anybody remember?
Becky?
Red. And then suddenly, boom, the parchment flies out.
Can you tell me what this says?
Look inside. Open it up and see what it says.
If this is Trace, I'm freaking out.
What does it say?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Yay.
The 4th Triwizard champion.
Yay.
Awesome.
He actually hasn't seen that movie. He saw the first one, but...
Well, there it is right there. That's how it works. So they're watching the goblet,
And here it comes. Watch.
and in just a second it's going to turn red. And then out pops a bit of parchment that says Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Said calmly.
Can you believe that's the same guy we just saw on stage last night?
Right? And this
Man.
is the exact same goblet
Can
that was used in that
can she
scene.
touch it?
Can't touch it, but you can take pictures of
Becky,
it.
you
But if you
gotta
get
get
close, it's really cool because you
Do
can
me a favor.
actually see all the little etchings from the
Go
wood
next
on
to it. Even though you're videotaping, I want to take a still picture with you next to it.
Don't touch.
Here we go. I'm videotaping, so go ahead. Okay, here we go. With the Goblet of Fire. Awesome. Okay, great. Thanks. Keep that videotape going.
Let me go ahead and give you
Oh,
guys 2 more
thank
so that
you.
everybody gets one.
Thanks so much.
You're so welcome.
Do you have yours, Trace? Where's yours? Did Daddy take it?
I think you put it in the bag.
You put it here. Put these. Thank you. We got it. Thank you so much.
Came out of the goblet, so they're
Thank you
really
so much. What?
Do you want to tell them about these right here?
cool.
These are
Oh my God! Look at these.
another group coming in? Okay. All right, so these right here, I'll tell you about them.
Okay.
So these are from the Order of the Phoenix.
Uh-huh.
Step right in here.
Okay.
So these are part of that
Come behind
scene
you a little bit.
where Fred and George have released all those fireworks into the Great Hall.
Uh-huh.
And then on the outside of the Great Hall is where Dolores Umbridge put all of those proclamations.
Yep.
So the wall starts to shake,
Uh-huh.
and then they all start to blow up and kind of fall
Listen,
down.
Trace. Uh huh.
So the way we did that is we have mini explosives that are inside the actual
I'll
proclamations.
go around you.
With breakaway glass,
Uh-huh.
so we'll actually explode them, and they'll all start to fall down in a sequence.
Is that going to happen
creating
now?
a-
Or?
No, it won't happen
Okay.
now.
We want to get him away from there.
But another thing we have is this right here.
Oh, Becky, look, it's Umbridge's dress.
And it's smoking.
That's a good thing that it's smoking.
This
She
dress
deserves
right
it.
here is actually the dress whenever Fred and George released those fireworks, and you see Dolores running through the Great Hall,
Uh-huh.
and then that huge dragon firecracker comes over
Uh-huh.
and like kind of swallows her.
Oh,
whole,
look, it's really
and then she
smoking.
starts to smoke. Most
Yep.
people think that's a digital effect, but it wasn't. It was actually a real live effect that we did.
Oh my
so the way
gosh.
that we do this is underneath her dress is a smoke vest
Uh-huh.
that has wires connected to a fog machine. We'll fill it full of fog, and then it'll slowly start to seep out. So it kind of really makes you feel like she was really swallowed by all the fire.
Wow. Now, this is the actual dress she wore, right?
One of the stunt doubles.
Oh, okay.
But
Cool.
yes. But Kendall right here has another amazing thing.
Okay, I gotta get out of the light.
Back all the way to the
Yeah,
very first
you
part.
want to get like at least 6 feet away because they're gonna come out.
Oh, Trace, you're going to love this. Trace, you
Yeah,
gotta
it's
watch
not
this.
gonna
He
be loud,
loves
I
this
promise you,
scene.
It's really quiet.
I gotta stand behind the light, though.
Interesting
It's
story about this is
Okay,
when they
watch
were
this.
planning this effect, the director didn't believe it could be done with practical effects, so he wanted to use computers to make it fake. But he was proved wrong by the special effects supervisor. So they literally made 25,000 of these envelopes, and these machines could shoot them everywhere. And
Oh my
the stage
gosh.
had to clean it up in between takes. Can you believe that?
Oh my God, I'm blocking out the
But
light
this is
here.
the best day to see this.
Now stand there, stay there.
Sunday. Do
Okay.
you know why Sunday's so great?
Because there's no
No
post.
post on Sunday.
There's no post on Sunday.
All right, ready? I promise it's not going to be loud. They're just going to come.
He's afraid of loud signs. It's not loud. It's gonna be fun though.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's awesome.
But the original rigs could do over 1,000 of these ones.
That was your favorite scene, right,
You can take
Trace?
these home if you'd
So
like
if
to be
y'all
my
want some
stage
more
hand.
letters,
Oh, sure. Let's pick them up. I can't bend down, but you guys
I
can
know,
get
like
them.
you could make.
Awesome.
What are those
We could throw them up and do our own manual.
They did it last year in the Mean
Keep 'em.
They had thousands of these.
Yeah, what's it called? When you hang a bunch of
Steve.
mobile.
Mobile.
right?
April Fool's thing.
Awesome.
We've got more if you want some. Trust me.
Thank you. Just take, absolutely.
Thanks, it's
Thank you. You finally got your envelope, dear.
Yes.
we have some photo opportunities. So in this scene, we're actually representing
Oh,
3 Potter movies. So we have the first Potter film here where we have Harry Potter's cupboard.
Okay.
And then we have the second Potter movie right
With
here
the cake, the floating cake that I
where
wanted to
Dobby
eat.
drops it on Miss Mason's head.
Uh-huh.
And then we have the third one right here with Aunt Marge.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna get a picture of each of. Go over there. Keep that running. Keep it running while you're. And then get next to the. Don't block out the cupboard though. Come on this side, on the right side where there's just stairs. Okay, here we go. And smile, Trace. Smile. Okay, now let's get underneath the cake next, where X marks the spot. I wanted that cake so badly. Every time I watch that movie.
So they actually made 10 of them per set, and they had to do it over 8 times for it to get the perfect look they were looking for.
It's awesome. Look at
they
this.
have a foam board that was
Okay,
kind
stay
of
here.
stacked
Stay.
on top of each other.
Uh-huh.
So when we dropped it down, on
Becky,
the
are you still
axis
doing the
bed,
video?
it kind of
Take
split.
something then,
Yeah.
not
And
just
it was
Trace's
full
head.
of all kinds of custards and
Okay,
creams.
go.
So I would probably love it because I
Yeah.
would probably been licking it, but she was probably tired of it after the 7th time of doing it.
'Cause she has to
Did you say that she had the woman had to wear the cake over and over again?
We had
Wow.
10 of them, and we had to do it 9 times.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that envelope there.
Oh my God, look at that. That's so
Alright guys,
hilarious.
so do this for me. So reach up like you're trying to grab for Aunt Marge.
Hang on. Okay, let me get over here. Yell Marge! Would she be large Marge?
Yep. A
Large
very
Marge.
Aunt Marge.
Yes. Okay, awesome.
All right, let go of
Guys.
Marge. Uh-oh.
Okay, we've got some quotes or some things here.
And the best quote is right here from J.K. Rowling herself.
Stories we love best do live in us forever. So whether you come back by page or by the big screen, Hogwarts will always be there to welcome you home. I love it. I got chills. Thank you so much. This was awesome of you. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. You can stop the video. Thank you again. Loved it.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Extras?
Sure. Always.
That's your wife.
Many.
The burn.
Just,
That's all right.
just a couple.
As many as you want to give. It's the end of the festival.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, exactly. For next New Year's. Thank you so much. Okay.